Have you ever wondered how to make money with Amazon dropshipping? Today, we delve into the world of e-commerce, breaking down the steps to build a successful Amazon dropshipping business. This could be your ticket to financial freedom and the entrepreneurial lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Step 1. Understand what Amazon dropshipping is. It's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Step 2. Find the right product to sell. Research is key here. Look for products that are in demand, but not overly saturated in the market. Tools like Amazon's best sellers list, Jungle Scout, or Helium 10 can be invaluable in your search. Step 3. Identify reliable suppliers. This is a crucial step. You need suppliers who are not only reliable, but also provide high-quality products. Alibaba and Salehu are popular choices for finding such suppliers. Step 4. Set up your Amazon seller account. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your business name, address, and contact information. Remember, honesty is the best policy when filling out these details. Step 5. List and price your products. Make sure your product listings are appealing and informative. As for pricing, it should be competitive but still allow you to make a profit. Step 6. Manage your inventory. Keep a close eye on your stock levels. Nothing hurts a business more than being unable to fulfill orders due to lack of inventory. Step 7. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Remember, happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, which can boost your store's reputation. Step 8. Optimize your listings. Use SEO strategies to make your products easier to find. The right keywords can make all the difference. Step 9. Learn from your mistakes and successes. Continually analyze your business practices and sales. Figure out what works and what doesn't, and adjust accordingly. And there you have it. 9 steps to building a successful Amazon dropshipping business. To recap, understand dropshipping, find the right product, identify reliable suppliers, set up your Amazon seller account, list and price your products, manage your inventory, provide excellent customer service, optimize your listings, and learn from your mistakes and successes. Remember, like any business venture, Amazon dropshipping requires effort, patience, and a willingness to learn. But with these steps in mind, you're well on your way to establishing a profitable dropshipping business on Amazon. So why not give it a try?